Hello everyone, welcome to Sunshine Classes. Children, in the last session you have learned successor and predecessor of a number. That is, successor means the number which comes after the given number, and predecessor is the number which comes before a number. So, and also you have learned comparison of numbers, that is how to identify which number is greater. So let us continue today's session with ascending and descending order. So this also you have learned in your earlier classes. Okay. So now let us learn in detail. So children, ascending means here arranging numbers from smallest to greatest. Okay. So this already have learnt in your earlier classes. Ascending means arranging the numbers from smallest to greatest, or in other words I can say as climbing up the stairs, going up the stairs. When you are climbing from downstairs to up, you are going, is it? You are going from small to big. That is increasing order. In increasing order from small to big, that is nothing but ascending order. And descending means here you are coming down from upstairs. Okay, from first floor you are coming down to the ground floor. That is you are coming from greater to smaller, big to small. Descending means here big to small. Ascending means small to big, and descending means big to small. Okay, so here is an example. So you can see four numbers here, that is 3 crore 11 lakh 23,456, then 2 crore 12 lakh 31,456, 3 crore 13 lakh 21,456, 2 crore 11 lakh 32,456. So now how to write these number in ascending and descending order. So as you have learnt in your previous session, the comparison of numbers, how to compare the numbers and identify which number is greater. So what you need to do, first write the numbers in the place value chart. So it will be easy for you to identify which number is greater. Then see the place value in the crores place. Okay, so which is small, because we are starting from ascending to ascending order. In ascending, small to big. So first you see which number is small. So two digits are small here. So here you can see two numbers, 2 2. So they are equal, and 3. So this is big. 3 is big and 2 is small. So again, then next come to 10 lakhs place. You can see all the numbers are same. All they are 1 only. Then coming to the lakhs place. In lakhs place, now you compare these two numbers. Okay, these two numbers in lakhs place, you see which is smaller. 1 is smaller or 2 is smaller. So 1 is smaller. Okay, 1 is smaller. It means here this number is smaller. Again, no need to go through the 10,000s, thousands place. So lakhs place only here. These two digits are same. When you are moving to lakhs place, if 1 is small, then this number will be smaller than this number. So in ascending order, this number will come first now. So let me write 2 crore 11 lakh 32,456. Okay, then next comes this number, because here 1 and here it is 2, and this is bigger than this. So 2 lakh 12,000, sorry, 2 crore 12 lakh, okay, 2 crore 12 lakh 31,456. Then now moving to the third number, which is in ascending order. So here you can see again 3 and 3. So as I said, first compare in crores place. It is same. In 10 lakhs, it is same. Then come to the lakhs place. In lakhs place now, we can see here 1 and 3. So which is small? 1 is small and 3 is big. Therefore, this number will be smaller. That is 3 crore 11 lakh 23,456. No need to see rest of this. In this place only you can come to know which is smaller and which is big. Therefore, the last number will be this one. 3 lakh. So I'll write it here. Sorry, 3 crore 13 lakh 21,456. So this is in which order? Ascending order. So to write in descending order is just simple. Ascending means you are writing from small to big. Descending means from big to small. You have to move from this number back to that number. Then you will come. Then you will write the descending. So write first number. In ascending, which is last, in descending order, that will be the first number because it is the bigger number. So descending order, 3 crore 13 lakh 21,456. Then next 3 crore 11 lakh 23,456. Then 2 crore 12 lakh 31,456. Then 2 crore 11 lakh 32,456. So this is the descending order and this one is the ascending order. Okay, understood now? Yes, ascending and descending. Ascending from small to big, descending from big to small. If you come to know ascending, you no need to worry about descending. Descending is just opposite to ascending. From last to first you have to write and that will be in descending order. Okay, so thanks for watching the video.